Today I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest tres leches chocolate cake. You're gonna love this recipe. I'm gonna start off by making the cake batter, and for the cake mix I'm using this one. We add it to our mixing bowl along with 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and 1 cup of whole milk. Now we start mixing at medium speed for a few minutes. It's been 3 minutes, it's ready, and this is how it should look. Now I'm gonna grease my pan, and I'm using a 9-inch round pan. We add the batter, and it's ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. For the tres leches mixture, I'm gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and I wanna thank La Lechera and Carnation for gifting me these products. We also add 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, mix until well combined. It's been 35 minutes, our cake is ready. I'm gonna set it to the side and let it cool off. While it cools off, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the frosting. To the mixer, I'm gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, mix until well combined, and it should look like this. Now we add in 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Continue mixing. After a minute it's ready. We flip and poke holes all over the cake so that when we add the milk mixture, it will absorb it better. Now we add the milk mixture. We're gonna do this slowly and it'll take a couple of minutes because we need to make sure the cake absorbs all the milk. Now we start frosting the cake. Even it out with a spatula. Once it's even, we sprinkle cocoa powder on top. I'm gonna cut myself a slice, and look at this, guys. It's so delicious, creamy, and honestly, it's not too sweet. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious tres leches chocolate cake.